Let's make a kid's fort with interior chalk walls. Gotta clean up after the grubby little kids first. And then blocking. Blocking in order to put the sheeting on. Blocking by far is the worst part of any project. Always takes longer than you think. I'm using 1/8 inch like paneling board. A, it was cheaper, and B, it was easier to handle. That wasn't my intention when I started out, but it was a pleasant surprise as I was working the material. By far, my favorite part of making this fort is hearing the stories of everybody's forts when they were a kid. My brother and I were reflecting on ours, and we have magical memories, but it was literally just like 2x6 in an oak tree with railing, and OSB. And so while this might seem like an elaborate fort, forts are forts. I mean, they're just cool. And the way adults light up talking about their childhood fort is what I hope my daughters will do when they think about this fort. In every project I do, I try to take on one thing that I was not super comfortable doing, and that is building my own door jamb. Shout out to Habitat. Man, I got $8 worth of material, and I was able to build my own door jamb. I learned some things. This is definitely not a how-to, but I did it, and it works, and I'm proud of it. So I did a project last summer and I had a bunch of tinted primer left over. So because I'm going with black chalkboard paint, I used that tinted primer and it worked out really great. And so I overbought the chalkboard paint. I thought I'm gonna have at least 3 coats. I only had 2, and that was a pleasant surprise as well. The key to any chalkboard paint project is letting it cure long enough. So after you have your second coat on, you need to let it cure for at least 72 hours. Another key to a good chalkboard wall is you have to cover it in chalk and then erase it. So this keeps the residue from like writing on it with other chalks from like staying there after you erase it. I underestimated how long it would take me to do this, but yeah, it's clutch and it really softens the black color. Oh man, the power of editing. I was fighting for my life installing this floor. I had a choice. I went to Habitat and they have great remnants left for this size of a project, great fort building material. And I thought I'm gonna do a glue down laminate floor. I think it'll be more durable and it'll be more forgiving because my base isn't perfect. Wrong on all accounts. Man, this took me 4 weekends. I wanted it to take me 2 weekends. My girls absolutely love it. My wife thinks I went overboard, and I think it's absolutely perfect in its imperfect nature. So I hope this lives rent-free in my girls' head when they're older as a cool-ass fort that their mom built them. If you like this video and want to see more like it, please like and subscribe.